Picture this: a sleek, futuristic tricycle RV, blending innovation, sustainability, and adventure into one mind-blowing ride. Imagine cruising down the highway, feeling the wind in your hair, but instead of a bulky camper van, you're maneuvering a streamlined, high-tech, three-wheeled marvel that turns heads wherever it goes. This isn't just a concept, it's the 2026 Futuristic Camper Tricycle RV, the game changer redefining the way we explore the world. From the moment you lay eyes on it, you know this is no ordinary vehicle. The aerodynamic body looks like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. With its ultra-lightweight carbon fiber shell, it effortlessly cuts through the air, reducing drag and maximizing efficiency. Its futuristic LED matrix headlights not only provide stunning illumination, but also adapt to road conditions, ensuring safety at all times. The wheels, engineered with adaptive suspension, making bumpy roads feel like a smooth glide through the clouds. But what makes this tricycle RV truly revolutionary is what's inside. Step in, and you're greeted by a hyper-modern interior that defies expectations. A retractable panoramic roof brings the outside in, letting you sleep under the stars without ever leaving your cozy high-tech cocoon. The interior transforms seamlessly from a driving cockpit to a fully functional living space. With just a press of a button, the seats fold down, revealing a spacious bed with memory foam comfort. Need a workspace? Another press and a sleek fold-out desk appears, complete with an AI-preneured assistant ready to help with anything from navigation to trip planning. This beast isn't just about luxury, it's built for sustainability. Fully electric and powered by next-gen solid-state batteries, it offers an impressive range on a single charge. And if that's not enough, the roof is equipped with high-efficiency solar panels, constantly topping up the battery while you cruise or camp. But here's where it gets even crazier. The built-in kinetic energy recovery system harnesses energy every time you brake or descend a hill, ensuring that every movement contributes to extended travel time. Imagine never having to worry about finding a charging station in the middle of nowhere. The tricycle RV takes care of itself. Let's talk storage. A vehicle this compact might seem like it would struggle with space, but that's where genius engineering comes into play. Hidden compartments are cleverly integrated into the floor and side panels, offering more than enough room for camping gear, clothing, and even a compact kitchen setup. Speaking of kitchens, the futuristic induction cooking system lets you prepare meals on the go with zero emissions. A collapsible sink and water filtration system